Welcome, Washington Elementary staff. I'm going to try to send out some information here for you to be able to review so we don't have to do it in staff meetings coming up here into this next week. Our theme for the year is Choose Courage. We'll discuss that a little bit more on our staff meetings on Monday and Tuesday. This presentation and video will be in our shared folder so that you can review it at any time that you need in case you have some information you have to find. The two things we're going to talk about in this video are the Lokdown app and the Remind app. Lokdown app or the Lokdown web page is just a way for us to get information out to you quickly in a crisis situation. Many of you have already signed up for this, but if you have not signed up for this, we're going to show you how to do that here. The Remind app is just another way to communicate with our staff, so we'll send out reminders of stuff coming up and different things when necessary. And as always, you can always give me a call or a text on my cell phone. So Lokdown, if you haven't created an account through Lokdown, then you need to follow this link. So if you're watching the video, you'll have to go into the presentation in the shared folder, click on the Lokdown registration link, and then you're going to create your account. So you're going to put first name, last name, your email, school email, please. Create a password, confirm that password, and then where you're located, and then your cell phone number, and then you should be able to create it. I noticed when I had set it up, that was also asking for school, so I'm not sure if that'll happen later or not, but nope, right there, the school is up there, so it'll tie in to Washington Elementary. So please, if you have not signed up for the Lokdown webpage or app, please do that. The other one we want you to do is Remind, and this is just a way for me to communicate if we need some things pop up. So all you have to do is get on your phone, text to 81010, and then the class code at RSPECH, and it should sign you up for the class or for the Remind. If you're not real sure you need a video, if you click on the link here, it'll take you to a couple of videos on how you do that on your phone. So hopefully this will help out a little bit, and hopefully this will help shorten our staff meeting. So if you got any questions, you can ask me at any time. Thanks. Bye.